Hello class, good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and studying well at your homes. So as you know, we have completed our chapter and our exercise was left. So today we'll do our exercise. So everyone bring this EVS book, sit with me and do your exercise. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into it. Tick the correct option. Now here we have to tick the correct option. Vendor is trained by experts, does practicals, get on field experience, gets a degree. So vendors are who just come to sell their things. Okay, the kabadi walas, the sabji walas, these all things who come in your colonies and send that and gives you the thing. So who are they? They need to train by experts? No, they does the practicals by themselves. Okay, so take on the B answer. Now second option, internship is done by mechanic, physician, attorney, chauffeur. So who does the internship? Yes, C option, physician. Take on the physician option. Okay, third number, attorney does MBBS, LLB, BE or BA. So what does attorney does? Does LLB. Take the B option. Coming to the fourth number, chefs do their working by relying on the sense of touch, taste, smell or sight. Now tell, chef rely on what? It will be not smell, it will be taste. Take on the taste option. Yes, so everybody take on taste option. Now fifth question, women in India mostly opt to be the firefighters, soldiers, doctors or teachers. So what will be the option? Teachers. Take on the option teachers. Clear? Now moving to the B. What work do you think these people do? Now we have to write what do you think that these people do. First one, I know shorthand. Okay, so what it will be? It will be typist. I have given you this as a homework. If you have not done it, see it and do it. Typist. 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 Second, I greet the guest in the restaurant. Who would be he? Very good. Waiter. Right, waiter. Third, I stay in the hospital to attend emergency cases. What it will be? Doctor. Right, doctor. I fight civil and criminal cases. Okay, he fight the cases. Then who will be he? Lawyer. Right, lawyer. I am driving on the road from morning to the evening. So who he will be? He will be a driver. Right here, driver. Okay, come to this. Write the full form of these professional degrees. Now we have to write the full form of these professional degree. So MBA. What will be the MBA? Master of Business Administration. Yes, Master of Business Administration. 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 MD. Who will be he? Doctor of Medicine. B.Ed. Bachelor of Education. MBBS. Bachelor in Medicine and Bachelor in Surgery. BE. Bachelor of Engineering. Clear? Now come to the next page. Answer these questions in your notebook. Okay, you have to write this in your notebook. Okay. The first question is, differentiate between skilled and unskilled jobs with the help of examples. Okay, we have to differentiate between skilled and unskilled jobs. So here is the answer. Some jobs do not need any training by experts. These jobs are called unskilled works. Example, domestic help, cleaner, vendor. Some jobs require training by experts. These jobs are called skilled jobs. Example, doctor, nurse, driver. So this is your first answer. Now coming to the second question. With the help of examples, explain how people use their sense organ in their occupation. Here is the answer. Chefs and firefighters rely on taste and smell to perform their work. They warn us of dangers such as fire and spoiled food. Shopkeepers that sell food grains, pulses, lentils, etc., fabric, have a good sense of touch. They can tell the difference between good quality and bad quality of material. Clear? This is your second answer. Third question. Who is a physician? Here is the answer. Physician is a doctor. Clear? Physician is a doctor. Coming to the fourth question. What are the responsibilities of a waiter? Now we have to tell what are the responsibilities of waiter, and here is the answer. Responsibilities of waiter is to greet the customers and take them to the table. Then he takes the order and offer after it is prepared in the kitchen. I serve it to them. I pay attention to their requirements, refills drink, take away spoiled crockery and cutlery, and offer napkins. Clear, everyone? So these are your answer and questions. I hope it is clear, and this you have done. Most of you have not done. You have to do it by yourself. And I have seen that writing question answers you make lots of spelling mistake. Even if I have sent you the photo of the question answers, then also you may mistake. So please student, write it carefully. Clear? Write carefully the spelling just to see what you are writing. Check it, then you send it to me. Clear, everyone? And put the date, put nicely the heading, and then you can do that. I hope you have understood the answers. If you have any doubt, please ask to me. Have a healthy day ahead. Thank you for listening me. Thank you for seeing this session. Thank you, everyone.